Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are learning every day and you are enjoying the work. Are you all enjoying the work? Ritaj, Karmita, Prisha, Yuvan, are you all enjoying? Urvashi? So let us start today's class with mathematics. Okay? So go and run and bring your maths book. Go fast. Yashvi, go fast. Karmita, Amira, all of you run and bring your maths book. Okay? Viraj, Vedansh. Very good. So I am going to open the book. Devik, open your book. Very good. So, did you remember we did number 1? What we did? What we did in our last class? We did number 1. Okay, tell me how many pens are there in ma'am's hand? Ma'am के hand में कितने पेन हैं? 1. This is 1 pen. How many pens are there? This is 1 pen. Okay? Okay, Prisha? So this is your number 1. This is number 1. The way you did your standing line. जैसे आप standing line लिखते हैं. This is number 1. Which number is this? This is number 1. The way we stand straight. The same way this number is standing straight. And how many cows are there? कितनी cows हैं? There is 1 cow. There is 1 cow. Show me your 1 finger. Very good, Dilara. Very good. So this is 1 cow. Okay. What we did? Golu and Molly like farm animals. Every day they go to farm. Golu and Molly को क्या पसंद है? Farm animals. And वो daily कहाँ जाते हैं? Farm. So that उन्हें farm animals दिख सके. They can have a look on farm animals. Okay. So this is a cow. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal. Like we have cat, dogs, parrot at a place. So the same way cow is a domestic animal. What does cow gives us? Cow gives us milk. And what does cow eats? Cow eats grass and hay. Cow says moo. Baby of a cow is called a calf. Okay. Now here are 3 fruits. First is pineapple. This is pineapple. Okay. This is watermelon. This is watermelon. Papaya. Pineapple, watermelon, papaya. I hope you all eat all the fruits. Okay. So distribute 5 ice cream sticks to each child. Parents, you just need to let them count all the things. When they will count one, they'll keep 1 stick. They'll say 1 pineapple. Then when they will keep another stick, they'll say 1 watermelon. When they will keep 1 more stick, they'll say 1 papaya, and they have to clap along one clap. Okay. Golu and Molly also feed Cammy the cow. How many cows did they feed? They feed 1 cow. How many cows are there? There is 1 cow. There is 1 cow. Here is a small rhyme for the cow. Cammy the cow. Cammy क्या है? Cammy is the name of cow. Cammy is the name of cow. जैसे आपके names हैं, so ऐसे cow का name क्या है? Cammy. What is the name of cow? Cammy. Speak up. What is the name of cow? It's Cammy. What is the name of the cow? Cammy. Say hello to Cammy cow. She gave the milk now. She can also talk to you, but all she says is woo woo. Okay. So here they have said ki say hi, say hello to Cammy cow. They're saying, say hello to Cammy cow. Say hello. And she gave the milk now. What did she give? She gave milk. She can also talk to you. She can also talk to you. But now, what she says? What does cow do? What's the sound of cow? It's okay. So this is all about number 1. This is all about number 1. And I hope you have filled this circle either with your thumbprint or with the bindi, or you have colored it. Okay. Moving on to next. Now all of you please open your rhymes book. Okay, all of you open your rhymes book. Ma'am is also going to open rhymes book. Let me open my rhyme book. We are going to the zoo. I know you all are excited. You all want to visit the zoo, but I promise when the school will open, we will visit to the zoo. Who wants to visit the zoo? आप सबको जाना है zoo? Very good. Promise हम zoo चलेंगे, okay? चलो. Now open the book and let's listen to the rhyme. We are going to the zoo tomorrow. Here's the rhyme. So all of you, have you opened your book? Very good. Now let me play the rhyme for you. So I hope you all enjoyed the rhyme. We are going to the zoo. But I know जब आप actual में जाएंगे तब आप ज़्यादा enjoy करेंगे because it's bit lengthy rhyme to learn even. Moving on to next. Now we are going to do English. So please open your English book. This is your Child-Centric Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2. Okay? Go and bring your book. Okay, you have already books in your hand. Very good. Let me change. Open the book and turn the page. So in our previous class, we did two letters, letter I and letter J. Today we are going to revise this whole page. Today we are going to revise the whole page, okay? Now who will tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this, Gurman? Gurman, which letter is this? This is I-E, insect. Very good. I-E, insect. What is the phonic sound of letter I? It's E. Let's listen to the phonic sound once again.
I. 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 Insect engine E. Insect engine E. Is the sound of I.
Insect engine E. E is the sound of I. E is the sound of I. E, insect. E, insect. E, ink pot. E, ink pot. E, India. E, India. E, iguana. E, iguana. E, ink. E is the sound of I. E is the sound of I. Then let us discuss about this insect. Insects are colorful. Insects are colorful means they are in of so many colors. Okay, some are green, some are brown, ants, cockroaches, butterflies, flies, and mosquitoes. All these are insects. Have you seen ants? Have you seen ants? That's a insect. Cockroach, that's also an insect. Butterfly, you have seen around the flowers in the park. So butterfly is also an insect. Butterfly is also an insect. Flies and mosquitoes, these all are insects. These all are insect. I-E, insect. I-E, ink pot. I-E, India. I-E, iguana. I-E, ink. Okay. Now the next letter is J. Next letter is J. J, jam. What is this? What is this? Jam. What is the color of jam? What is the color of jam? It's red in color. What is the color of jam? It's red in color. J, jam. J, jam. J, joker. J, joker. J, jar. J, jar. J, jeep. J, jeep. J, jelly. J, jelly. J, jaguar. J, jaguar. Jo is the sound of Jo is the sound of J. Jo is the sound of J. So jam is sweet. What is the taste of jam? What is the taste of jam? Jam is sweet in taste. We can eat jam on bread or chapati. You can eat jam on bread or chapati. But you should eat green vegetables too. This doesn't mean आपको jam ही खानी है. आपको vegetables भी खानी चाहिए. Okay? You should eat all the vegetables. Jams are made from different fruits. Jams किससे बनती है? Different fruits से बनती है, like mangoes, grapes and pineapples. Mangoes, grapes and pineapples. I have shown you pineapple just now. We have seen the pineapple in maths book. Okay. So jam is made from different fruits. Now tell me, jam is bitter like chili or jam is sweet like candy? What is the taste of jam? Just now I told you jam is sweet. Jam मीठी होती है ना? Jam is sweet. Jam is sweet like candy. Jam is sweet like candy. Listen to the phonic sound of letter J now.
J, J, J. Jellybees jumping, jellybees jumping, jumping all the day. J, 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 J is the sound of J.
J is the sound of J. J is the sound of J. Very good. Now we are going to do some craft work. Are you all ready? I know you are fond of coloring and doing craft works. So go and bring your art and craft book. Okay? All of you go and bring your child-centric arts and craft, creative activities and more. Okay? आपको ये वाली बुक लेके आनी है. Done? Now let us open the book and let us see what we are going to do today. You all are excited? Wow, that's good. So, before summer break, we did tomato coloring, then we filled the cake, then we colored the bus. Today we are going to do something with banana. Let's see what's the activity. First of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Then please put the date, month and year. Then please circle the particular weather. Okay. Now here, what do we have? What's there with us? This is banana. What is this? Banana. And what you have to do? You have to do crayon shaving activity. This is crayon shaving. What is crayon shaving? जब हम pencil को sharp करते हैं, so we have shavings of pencil. What you have to do? You have to create shavings of crayon. Like here is my yellow crayon and here is my sharpener. So I will sharp my yellow color with this sharpener and I will have some shavings in my hand. So with that shavings I have to fill this banana. With that shavings I have to fill this banana. What you need? You need glue, brush and crayon shavings. Spread the glue on the picture with help of brush. What you have to do, either the parents can do. Parents, please spread the glue on the banana. Then sprinkle yellow shavings. Then आपको yellow shavings spread करनी है. Shake the sheet. Then you have to shake the sheet. So जो भी extra crayon shavings होंगे, that will fill down and you will have a banana. Let me show you. So this way your banana will look. I have not filled it completely, but you have to fill the banana with crayon shavings. Okay, you have to fill this complete banana. Then your banana will look so beautiful. Okay. Okay. So you are going to do crayon shavings today. Which activity you are going to do today? Crayon shaving activity. Okay. You have to sharp the crayon, yellow crayon, then you will get the shavings and then you have to paste it. Then you have to paste it on the banana. But please do this activity with your parents. आपको ये activity किसके साथ करनी है? मम्मा पापा के साथ. Okay? अकेले नहीं करनी है. So today we are done with recapitulation of letter I and J. We did the rhyme. We did number 1 in maths. Now we did crayon shavings in banana. Okay, this is all for today. We will meet tomorrow with new concepts, but please keep on learning, keep on doing your work and please submit your work to me. I will wait for your work. Okay, bye. Take care. We will meet tomorrow.